When the Bobby Sock lassies go all out for the men in uniform, their deserted boyfriends call on the girls in evening gowns. And then the fun begins.
Anything the matter, fellows?
You and your bright ideas.
Gosh, that's swell.
At 16, love is very romantic, and jealousy equally violent. And a voice like Gary Young's a rare musical discovery.
We've got to go in there. We're rehearsing.
Not today, you're not.
In just a few minutes, we're supposed to go on the air to try to win the national championships, and now at the last minute, we have no instruments.